3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas! Everyone. Hello.
Hi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be filming our good old annual Christmas gift giving video. It's that time of year. Okay, no it's not. We're a bit late this year. We normally put it up before Christmas, but this year we've been a little bit delayed, so it's going up a little bit late. Hope you guys don't mind. I hope you still enjoy it. Last year we got very jokey, rude presents. Well, I did for you, I think. But this year, because those you have no use for them, you open it and it's like ha ha ha, and then it's like, oh, what am I going to do with this rubber duck with a penis? If you saw last year's video, you know what that means.
It's on my bookshelf.
Oh yeah, you do still have it on your bookshelf, don't you?
But I haven't I'm
guessing you have no use for it.
I don't know. There is no use for it.
Anyway, you have no use for them, so I thought this year we'll get things for each other that we actually have a bit of use for, but there's still kind of novelty. Well, I've gotten you still novelty things. I don't know what you've done.
Bit of a mix.
Oh, shall we just get on with it?
All right, then.
Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
What, you want one first? Oh,
No, I'll give you.
You're gifting one first. Okay. It's quite a big one to start with. Squishy.
Yeah. It's a bumblebee costume.
I just turned it over and I saw that little face in my heart. Ooh, feel him. Ooh. It's a little Pikachu onesie.
They seem to think he's a centipede or something. Those are not ears, are they?
You can still tell it's Pikachu. As soon as I saw the face, I was like, Pikachu. But yeah, it does have funny ears. He's so cute. I wanted a onesie because I've got my Christmas onesie, but I wanted a onesie that I can wear all year round. So I'm very happy about this, and we love Pokemon, don't we? We watch Pokemon more than we should admit. It's really soft as well. It feels like really nice quality. A really decent one. Beep, 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 beep. I love him. Thank you. I knew that.
I need it.
I knew there was going to be a Pokemon thing. I knew it. He has tail too. Yay. Bzz, 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 bzz. Okay. I actually can't remember what's what because all of Alex's presents are squares and I just don't know what's what, so...
You got me a square?
Every single one is a square. What is it?
Didn't drop it.
I thought it was really cool.
It is quite cool, isn't it?
What an epic mug.
Infinity Gauntlet shaped mug.
I feel like that is the most extra mug I've ever seen in my life. It's so extra. It's really big. Oh my goodness.
It's quite large, isn't it?
It's huge.
It's a mug.
I meant what it is.
It's shaped like the Infinity Gauntlet from those Avengers films.
Those Avengers films.
Those Avengers films.
It's a mug. Do you like it?
Not see? I do like it a lot. Thank you. You can have a square now.
That's the face I do when I see Legend of Zelda. That's so cute. Zelda heart container light. If you've played the game, you'll probably know that they have the heart containers. So this is a little heart container life as a little light. That's so cute. I can't even try it right now because there's no batteries.
Ah, well, as luck would have it.
Do you give me
your next present?
There's a tin of
load of batteries.
Really?
That many.
Really?
Yeah.
No, but I love that. That's so cute. I can pop it on my little desk.
This one comes with a poem.
A poem?
Duel to the end with a friend. 2-player laser tag shooting game.
I thought that would be fun. I don't know how good it is, but I thought it would be fun. A real life arcade action laser tag game. Because I know you've always said you want to do laser tag, don't you? Or laser quest or whatever.
Laser quest.
Laser quest.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, now we can do it at home. Okay, we'll play with it later.
I'm gonna work out how that works.
Maybe turn them off.
Oh, there you go. Look, instructions for use.
My turn.
Your turn.
Shall I have my tin of batteries then?
Here's your batteries.
Is it a celebration tin? Doesn't it look like a typical box of chocolates? It's a big moon. Ah, a moon puzzle.
Mhm.
Oh, Oi! Moon 100-piece puzzle featuring photography from the archives of NASA. That's well cool. Oh, they're big chunky ones. That's good then.
It's going to be quite large.
Yeah, it's going to be a big moon. So you've got a load of puzzle pieces, but you know what? It'll be difficult because it's just a big grey splodge really, isn't it? If it looks like that, which I'm guessing it does, that's going to be really difficult.
I mean, it's going to look like the moon, isn't it, really?
Yeah, basically. It's going to look like the moon. Do you know what? I think it might. Because I was thinking the other day, actually, I could do with a puzzle, something to do. I was saying that to my mum on Christmas Day, and she knows what you got me, didn't she? So she was probably like, I was saying to her I could do with a puzzle. Yay! Well, now this one will keep me busy for probably a decade. I think I know what this one is, yeah. Okay. Process of elimination, I've worked it out. I think I might be more excited about this one.
So it's like a TV controller, yeah?
Yeah, but then you get all of the old games, like retro games.
Oh.
Me and my brother had one of these years ago, and we loved it. It's only like a one-player one, though. I should have got a two-player one. What donut? I didn't think of that.
Your donut includes over 200 8-bit games.
200 games, and you literally just plug it into a TV, and it just works. Just like magic.
That is magic.
And it's all the old games, because you know I love a bit of retro gaming.
I do.
Although it's for you, but...
Yeah.
No, but I thought you'd like it too. I thought you'd enjoy that.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I think it'll be fun. Oh, it's so tiny.
That's quite small.
I feel like your presents to me are so much better. Like, I'm so easy to buy for, aren't I? Because there's so many little things that I like. Basically, get me something with moons and stars on it, or something to do with like the video games that I play, or things like that. I'm so easy. But I feel like you're difficult because you don't really have like those things that you obsess over and that you love. Whereas me, I obsess over things quite easily, don't I?
Yeah, big time.
I'm just like, I love that now. I will love it forever. It's a giant space hopper.
We've got a garden now, so I thought, you know, we'd shove that and you outside, lock the door, and I can have a bit of peace and quiet.
Imagine me bouncing around the garden and that, the neighbours looking out the window. This 25-year-old lass like bouncing around the garden.
Well, its own pump. It's in a bag. You're not going to feel the air.
What made you get me a space hopper? Was it actually to shut me outside?
No, it's because, you know, we used to have one at my parents' house.
Yeah, years ago.
And you always...
I did used to bounce around on it.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought you might enjoy that.
No, I will. No, I actually will. I'm never too old for a space hopper. Because also, will that give me exercise?
Sort of.
Sort of. Because I just love bouncing. I find it really fun and almost like a bit relaxing. Like...
Go on.
Doing this is quite nice.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. No, I love that. I'm excited to pump him up. Next one.
Next one. Is some socks. 8-bit game over light. Oh, so it's like a light.
It's like a light.
It's like a light.
I just thought, because we've been thinking of redoing your little office room and turning it into a gaming room, I thought that would look quite cool in there.
Yeah, it's not very positive, is it?
No, it's not, but you do fail a lot, because I can tell by when you're shouting.
Thanks.
I feel like you're game overing a lot, because you're like, ah. It's quite cool though. I think it will look quite nice, just like on something. So it lights up in different colours. You can have orange, blue, green and purple. And then the colours can change to the beat of music. That's epic.
I guess.
Wow. Empty.
Yes. I burped into a box and just sort of...
Do you know what though? I wouldn't put it past you. I bet everyone's going to be looking at this thinking it's a engagement ring. They're so cute. Okay, they're definitely not going to be able to see them from here. They're little pig earrings, but they're Minecraft pigs, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're little Minecraft pig earrings. Are they did you make them? They look really handmade.
I didn't make them, no, but they are handmade.
I'll insert a little close-up in case you can't see. But they are some pig earrings of Minecraft pig faces. They're so cute. They look like they're made out of clay or something. Like, they're just really cute. I love them. All of my presents are painting me to be a bit of a nerd. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, do you know why?
They're actually so cute. I love them. Thank you. Oh, your turn.
Very sorry.
Okay. This guy needs a little bit of explaining because he's not finished.
Oh.
He's not been filled.
Okay.
It won't look like anything yet because I haven't bought the filling because I wanted to know...
It's a really big sandwich.
I wanted to know what filling you'd prefer for him. So yeah, it doesn't look like much at the moment, but I'll explain. I'll just let you open it. Also, I got this from Wish. This is from wish.com.
Alright.
So I really wasn't sure how it was going to be.
Manage my expectations.
But it was actually pretty decent. I feel like you're going to be like, what even is this?
No, I mean, there's only one thing that's going to be, isn't it?
He's a Snorlax! So out of all of the Pokemon, I always say that Alex is like a Snorlax because they sleep a lot, they're lazy, and just big things. Is he your fave?
I don't know. Yeah, I mean, he's alright, isn't he?
He's alright?
He seems like he's got life figured out.
Yeah. Just sniffing his toes. Are you like confused?
Well, I'm trying to work it out.
It's basically a giant Snorlax beanbag, but this is the cover, like this is the case for it, and then we've got to buy the stuff to go in it. But I didn't know if you wanted like beans, like beanbag beans, or if you wanted fluff.
Fluff.
Okay, so I wanted to wait so that I could see what you'd prefer, but it's huge. Like, let me just show you a photo of it when it's all like puffed out. I'll insert the photo as well. It's huge.
It's
like
quite large.
It's 60 inches. But I just thought that would be really good, again, for your or our little gaming room that we're going to make, to have a huge beanbag of Snorlax to sit on. What more could you ask for? You can kind of realise how big it is when you look at how big the face is. Like, it's going to be so big. I'm so excited. I'm sad though that I can't show everyone it all puffed out. I will show you in a future video what this looks like when we're done with it, because I think it's going to be epic. Like, seriously. It's so big. This one's in different paper. Is it because it's the special?
Yeah.
The elite one?
Absolutely.
Okay. That is the cutest thing. I love Kirby. Okay, whenever we're playing Smash, I'm always the person who's really annoying, and I'm always Kirby, and I just become a brick on everyone. That will make no sense if you've never played Smash, but if you've played it, you might know what I mean. If anyone else is a Kirby, let me know down below. I'm always Kirby. He's just... oh, that's so cute. Look at his little feet. I'm literally a child. Space hoppers, cuddly I'm a child. I feel like we're both children. No, but that's what we do in these videos. We get like really childish, like novelty gifts. Well, we didn't last year. They were not childish. They were rude, but you know what I mean. This is our opportunity to let out our inner child. I love him. Oh my goodness. I'm probably going to hug him for the rest of the day, or maybe the rest of the year. Not much left of it.
No, that's true.
I might hug him for the whole of 2020. Thanks, Ali. I love him.
That's alright.
Like, you got such good presents. I feel like you almost covered all of my things that I love. See, I'm so easy, aren't I? Admit, I'm so easy.
You are. It's really easy buying for you.
You're just a difficult fella. Although I do have one more present for you, but obviously you've already opened it. But if anyone's thinking, hang on a minute, you got me 6, I only got you 5. Alex's present. Oh, you should have got it out and shown everyone.
I can't get it.
Do you want to go and get it?
I can go and get it.
Go and get it.
I'll go and get it.
Go and get your final present. Alex has already had it for a little while. I'm just admiring my Kirby. Why does that sound like it's rude?
It does, doesn't it?
Just admiring my Kirby. Alex paid for some of it. He wouldn't let me pay for the whole thing, but I got Alex a new guitar, or helped him get a new guitar for Christmas. So this is it. You can show off your new little baby. I can only do a D. What's your favourite present that you got? Well, probably the guitar.
Probably this one,
okay,
right?
but apart from the guitar, what was your favourite one?
I don't know, they're all pretty cool. Maybe the light?
I don't even think I could pick a favourite. Like, actually, no, I can't.
Kirby.
Yeah, you did a very good job. Like, very good job. High five, you know me so well. Boom. We're done. We're done, we're done. This is me playing Smash.
Just raining bricks.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you want us to do it again next year, give it a thumbs up. I'm sure we will. This is a tradition to go on forever. Even when we're like 70, we'll still be like, ooh. You'll still be giving me Kirby's. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and I'll probably see you again before the new year, because I think I'm going to do a what I got for Christmas video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Goodbye. Do you want to say bye, or do you want to play them out? He's really good.
He's really good.
Bye bye bye.
Bye bye.